Welcome. Question 30. In the diagram, triangle PQR. In the diagram, that's the triangle PQR. The length of QR is 2 centimeters. The angle at R is 60 degrees, and that of the angle at Q is 90 degrees. We have to find the length of PR. So, in the purpose of this, I'm going to label here what Y. This is a triangle, that is right angle triangle. Given the angle here and here, we can use the Pythagoras, how do you call it, trigonometric word ratios to solve that. This is the opposite side, and this is the hypotenuse, and this is the adjacent. We are not interested in the opposite, so we go for CAH, meaning the cos of the angle 60 is equals to, what do we have, adjacent, 2 divided by what, y. Let's okay, we can say that cos 60, 0, 30, 45, 60 is 1 over 2. So 1 over 2 equals to 2 on y. Cross multiply, y become what, 4 centimeters. So the result we are looking for is going to be option B. I believe clear. Like, share, comment, and come back for more.